Hello, this is my log second lecture in which I will explain you concept of characteristics and mentesa of log that is useful for you. Now we are giving the concept of characteristics and mentesa of log. For that it is necessary we use common logarithm values. If you don't know, I will giving you. We can check log. We can check log 1 base 10 is equal to 0 since 10 की power 0 is equal to 1 and log 10 base 10 is equal to 1 since 10 की power 1 is equal to 10. Similarly, log 100 base 10 is equal to 2 since 10 की power 2 is equal to 100. Similarly, log 1000 base 10 is equal to 3 since 10 की power 3 is equal to 1000. And rest one, if you take log 0.001 value is -3 since 10 की power -3 is equal to 0.001. Similarly, 0.01 is equal to -2 since 10 की power -2 is equal to 0.01. And similarly, log 0.1 is equal to -1 since 10 की power -1 is equal to 0.1. In this way, power form to log, power form to log, power form to log, power form to log, power form to log. Pay attention about that. It is more taking. Now we are standard decimal, and this one the correct concept of characteristics and mentesa. Concept of characteristics and mentesa. The characteristics, जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं पूर्णांश. Characteristics, the characteristics and mentesa, जिसको mentesa को कहते हैं हिंदी में अपूर्णांश भाग of a logarithm. The logarithm number consists of two parts. Two parts. First, the integral part. Consider the two part. First, the integral part. Integral part is known as characteristics. And second, the decimal part. Decimal part is called mentesa. Here, the characteristics may be positive or negative both, but mentesa always as positive. Pay attention. The characteristics may be positive or negative but Mentesa never be negative, always positive. Mentesa never be, Mentesa is always taken as positive. Taken as positive. When the characteristics is negative, when the characteristics is negative, it will be represented by putting a bar on the digit. Bar on the digit. Thus, instead of 5, we write 5 bar. 5 bar. Anywhere, if written 3 bar 2798 means -3 plus 0.2798. This is the characteristics and this is Mentesa. Characteristics may be positive or negative, but Mentesa never be negative, always positive. Now we see the take some log value and prove its Mentesa and characteristics. Suppose we want to see the value of log 2. Value of log 2. We know log 1, value of log 1, if base is not written, it is understood base is 10. Log value is 0. And log 10 value is 1. You see here, we want to value of log 2. Here you see value of log 2 lies between 0 to 1. It is more than 2 and less than 1. More than 2 and less than 1. Log 2 is lies in between. So, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 9, all they have characteristics is 0. Characteristics is 0. But value of log 2 is more than 1. This rest part is in Mentesa. Rest part is Mentesa. Rest part is we can buy a value of Mentesa. You see, if we see the table, we will find the Mentesa part of log. Mentesa part of log. If we see the table, we will able to find out. I am showing. Just wait. I am showing you the table of log in any table of log. You see here the table value of log in these questions. Log table. I just wait. Here Mentesa part of log 2 is 3010. 3010. Value of log 2 because value of log 1 is 0. Value of log 2 characteristic part is 0. For Mentesa we take log table. Here you say see the value 20. 20 so the because characteristics 0, 20 after decimal no means of value, just 2.00 doesn't matter. 2.00. So we see 20 in table log 20, rest value is 0. We'll find value is 3010. For Mentesa part, we see the log value log 20 and base 3 is 3010. You see 300. So we can put here, you can here we put 3010. So Mentesa is 0.3010. Characteristics is 0. Characteristics is 0. In this way, we will find the value of log 2. Rest value. If you want to value of log 20 to 20. Here you see this value is lies between log 10 value is 1 and log 100 value is 2. So log 20 is lying this between. Here characteristics is 20. It shows this value is log 20 is greater than log 10 and less than log 100. So this characteristics is 1. This characteristics is 1. 1 is characteristics. Mentesa never be changed. Value is, if figure is not changed, Mentesa not change. In same way, we can see 20 and 5 in before the 20 3010. 3010. We put the this value 3010. After that, if you find want to find value 200, this value 200 right between lies between them. Value is characteristic is 3. Value of characteristics 200 is more than 2 and less than 3. So characteristics is 2 and some Mentesa part. Here also we can see the table 20 rest is 3010. Put 3010. In this way, we are able to find the value of 20. 2 characteristics is 0 and here characteristics is 1. Here characteristics is 2. Use here again we see the value of 0.2 log 0.2. We know log 0.1 base 10 is equal to minus 1 and log 0.01 base is minus 2 log 1 base 10 means value is 0. You see 0.1 is more than 0.2 is more than 0.1 and less than log 1 value. So value lies in between log 1 10 and log minus 1 greater than this one, and this value is characteristics is minus 1 and minus 1 we write in the form of 1 bar. Here characteristics is minus 1. Mentesa is same plus 3010. We know Mentesa never be changed. This will 1.30. We know I already say characteristics should be negative or positive, but Mentesa never be negative. In this way, 0.2 characteristics is minus 1. Similarly, we can take 0.02. This value is lies between 0.02 base 10 is equal to minus 3. In between, more than this one, characteristics is 2 bar 3010. And same way 0.003 base characteristics is 3 bar because this value is lie between 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is 3 bar and this is 0, 0, 1, 4 bar, and characteristics is here 3 bar and Mentesa 3010. But here figure is changed. In the place of 2 it is 3. So we see the table 30 0. In 30 we see 0.4771. 4771. So here characteristics 3 bar and Mentesa 4771. Now we are find value of log 2 is 0.3010, log 3 is 0.4771, and this way we can able to find out the value of log 2, log 5, this one. We have find log x value is 2.3010. Now we are giving the concept of anti-log. Log x value is given 2.3010. Our aim to find the value of x. For that, here we take anti-log of 2.30. For saying anti-log, it is not you take this part is characteristics and this is Mentesa. First you see the characteristics here. Characteristics is used for putting decimal only. Here value is 0.3010. In anti-log table, you see in anti-log table, this is anti-log table. Here value is 3010. For that, you here see point. Here see 0.30. See 0.30. Zoom and correct it 0.3010. Again, the rest value is 1. So far, you see here difference table 0.3010. 0 is this one, and 0.30 is 2000. Again, repeating concept of anti-log. Suppose log x value we have given 2.3010. Well, our problem to find the value of x. Here we take log that side, x is equal to anti-log of 2.3010. Here 2 is characteristics and 3010 is Mentesa. Here characteristics is used for only put decimal. You see the log table, anti-log table, again repeating for anti-log table value of 0.3010. You see here value 0.30 and next figure is 1. So we take in down of 1, we'll find 2000. Here you will find value is 2000. Its value is 2000, and here characteristics is 2. It indicates before the decimal 3 figures. So before the we put here 3 place 2 characteristics shows before the decimal 3 figure we put 200. After 3 place put the decimal, then value of x is we find 200. In this way we'll get the value. Now see a log problem. Our problem to find out the value of our problem to find out the value of 23.08. This value is lies between 10 to log 10 to log 100. We know characteristics of log 10 is 1. So characteristics between 10 to 99, we will find 10 to 99 will find characteristics is 1. Now see, for others value, we take characteristics is, if point is before the decimal, we take before the decimal 2.2 minus 1 means 1. So characteristics is 1. For Mentesa, we see the table. After 23, next figure is 0. So in log table, we see 23 and next figure is 0. In 0 के नीचे we'll find 3617. 36, you see the value 23 के नीचे 3617. After that value is 8. After 0 value is 8. We see the mean difference table, and below the 8 here below the 8 we will find here 15. Then we add 15 here, 3617. 15 is add here, 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carry out, 3 6 3. Mentesa is 3632. Here first we see the value in table. You have shown. You can open your table also. Will find value is 23 below 0. 3617, and mean difference table is 0.50. Then 3632. Final value is 3632. This is the value of log 23. We can check these value from anti-log table. Suppose we don't know the value of this. Log x is 1.362. Again you see 1 is showing the characteristics, 0.36 is 32. For value of log, we anti-log 1.3632. I already you 1 indicate only the place of decimal. This is characteristics, and for anti-log we see the anti-log table 0.36 below 3, and then mean difference. We see the table, log table, which is generally given in the last page of book. Log table is given last page of book. You can check your book and see the log table. Here our value is 36. So here first is log table and then anti-log. So now see 0.36. Here you see 0.36 and value given is 3. So below 3 we see value is 23. Below 3 here, below 3.2307. Value is 2307. And next value is 3. We see the mean difference table. Below the 36 will find 1. Below the 2 it is 1. Below the 2 it is 1. We add 1 here and get 238. Now value is 2308. Here characteristic is 2, before decimal 2 place. You can now check this log value, and anti-log value is 2308. In this way we can see the log tables and use log table. But in BSc exam, log table is not provided in the exam, so value have already given. You practice this concept on numerical problem in any books of 9th ICC board or UP board, and you are able to find solutions and how you calculate the characteristics and Mentesa, you can understand. Okay, thank you. It is my last second lecture.